So you're telling me that there is one chart that holds all the cryptos combined in one place? Nice, I'm digging it. I'm gonna watch this chart and see what's happening right now in the whole crypto market. I want you to join me. No matter the coin that you're holding, just follow me to the charts. Thank you for still being here, you won't regret it. This will be fast, simple and effective. We are looking at total market cap of all the cryptos combined on a daily chart. This is valuable stuff, ladies and gentlemen, because we're not focusing on just one, but all. And there are a few scenarios. Which one do you want first, bearish or bullish? Well, let's start with the good news. Now, this is the possible trend line of resistance that all of the cryptos are fighting all the way from November. Here I pointed out those points of resistance on which I based this line that is going to the down. So this was our downward sloping line of resistance. Now, this is subjective part of technical analysis, and if we drew it like this, if you take and believe that those points were the resistance lines, right now, yeah, we broke it. And not only that we broke it, but we are now testing it, as you can see here. And this is very bullish price action. This is always good to see, to test your previous resistance now to make it your support. If this is really the trend line that we need to watch, cryptos could go parabolic. Simple and nothing to talk about. But now let's make some changes to this trend line and see if we can still make a bullish case. What's going on? I just lifted this resistance line to the upside and still making those points of resistance viable and respective. So I did nothing wrong. We are touching the wick of all of these resistance points. But since we drew it like this, well, this is no longer looking so bullish, right? Because we are now not above that resistance line, but below it, still confirming a downtrend. We are really living inside this borderline territory of bull and bear. Yeah, many got excited in this run from last month to this one. But as you can see, this could still be an ugly price development, because there is still a possibility that we go to down lower levels. According to this trend line, nothing is broken yet. But when you are finding yourself in this peculiar situation of not knowing where we are at now, you should draw moving averages like this. For this occasion, I chose 89 exponential moving average, so taking approximately 3 months of price action. Now, it really doesn't matter all too much which one we take into account, the result will be the same. For this somewhat longer moving average is telling us that we are not bullish yet. 89 exponential moving average at this moment is standing at $2 trillion. We are now in 1.8, and please do notice that we are not touching this 89, but are obviously fighting it as resistance. If you want this translated into non-technical jargon, we're still not bullish. Crypto market is still in somewhat bear trend. We've seen some progress over the last few days, yes, even weeks. This should not be ignored, and I think that we started some kind of recovery of the markets, but still no bullish signs, real bull signs. For me to see the confirmed bull, crypto market cap should go above this moving average, and let's say it like this: 2 trillion is the mark. If we go above 2 trillion of valuation of total market cap, we are talking about the bullish narrative. But if we mingle below that line, anything can happen. We can still be faced with bearish downturns. Now, the best case scenario in this occasion would be if we do spend some more time below this 89, below 2 trillion, and then make a boom. Until that is the case, all scenarios are open. We can break it in the next few days, go parabolic, or we can even go downward, retest those levels, because as you can see, this is still our resistance. Stay strong, we will be bullish again, stronger than you ever thought of. For now, stay safe, don't mess it up. And if you want to know what are my thoughts on the current situation in the crypto market, and I'm talking about my honest thoughts, check out this video. You will find everything that's in my head right now. I wish you well. See you in that one.